Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got a really cool pocket knife to show you. This is a Remington UMC pocket knife. This was discontinued in the 90s. It's called a Waterfowl knife. It's got a Muskrat blade here, a serrated sheepsfoot, and then it's got a couple of tools in here. I honestly don't know too much about it, but it's got this choke changing tool and this pin here. It's got jigged Delrin scales. Got the shield here, Remington, Tang stamp, made in USA, Remington UMC, Remington trademark, nickel bolsters, brass liners. Just a really beautiful pocket knife from the 90s. If you're a hunter, I'm sure this would be super useful. It's just a really beautiful pocket knife. The blades are 440 stainless. Let's see. Let's go ahead and check the weight here. .9 ounces. About 4 1/4 closed length. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.